Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I'm in the basement. Welcome. And if you've been following along with my 10-day clutter clearing challenge that I just finished up, I will link that playlist down below, then you would have seen this area of the basement as part of the day that we tackled the basement. So I've already done this little corner. This is my little moment of peace and clarity down here now where I feel good about things. And it is Wednesday. It is Anti-Procrastination Day in the Fly Lady system, if you follow that. And it's also the day that our recycling gets picked up. And we are now on a system where every week it's an alternating thing. So this is the week that we have cardboard and office paper that gets picked up. And I thought, I have big plans for this whole basement clutter clearing project, but in the meantime, I just need to get their cardboard and the paper out. And why not just jump in and do it? So I brought you down here so you can see just what we're dealing with. So I will just pan around here. You can look behind me and just see how much there is to do. So as you can see, I'll try to kind of make room. I brought in the recycling bin so I can start putting cardboard in there. And yeah, that this is just all of our pool supplies, floaties and stuff, which we keep down here when we're not using them. So for the summer, they just become this giant pile, and I need to figure out, I need to figure out where to go with them. Okay, and then behind that and under that are just cardboard boxes that I need to break down. I'm notorious for saving them in case I might need them to ship something out, which is so rare, it's silly how many I keep. And then beyond that is a glimpse at the shelving system that all needs to be cleaned out. So I'm just going to get started on the cardboard only, focus on that, see if I can get that done in about 10 minutes or so because the recycling man's coming soon. So I got to get it out to the road and we'll move on from there. So let's get started. Okay, so now my recycling bin is full and you can see I've kind of cleaned up the recycling area. And I have all of the pool stuff all kind of piled up there. It's not perfect, but it's not in the middle of the walkway. And you can actually see some floor over here. So basically this is now a collection of my Jordan Essentials extra supplies that I need to go through and decide if I'm keeping or not. And then some other storage baskets and bins and boxes that kind of have the same thing. I need to go through them. And this gets into the extra toys. Like I said, I'm not working on all that today, just working on the cardboard. So I'm going to go take my cardboard down to the road and hopefully that inspires you to get a little more decluttering done today. Okay, so thanks for joining me, everyone. I hope that was encouraging. And like I said, I'm just trying to jump in there, get something started. I'll keep you posted on future projects, but for today, this was our little mini clutter clearing process, and I feel good to get more stuff out of the house. I also found a box of like cereal boxes. That kind of paper chipboard doesn't recycle with our pickup, so I have to take that into the larger town near me and drop it off there, so I'll be doing that today. And I also got through a bunch of just packaging supplies and bubble wrap and all that. So it's all gathered together in one bag. I probably don't need it. Maybe I'll see if the UPS store wants it or something. If you have a suggestion on what you do with that, with my Jordan Essentials business, I end up getting a lot of that as I get orders in. And the amount of orders that I actually turn around and like ship some of it back to a customer or back out to a customer is so small that I never need all that I get. So I'm at a loss as to how much to keep and where to keep it and what to get rid of. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you find out when I upload the next video. Hit the like button if you like seeing me clear out the clutter, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.